Alright, it's going to get pretty chill tonight, so I'm going to quickly take you through the Darche Eclipse 270 awning and why I've chosen this over going the batwing or any other awning on the market. So come on, let's get into it. First up, undo the bag. You want to flip the bag over the awning and then start undoing all the latches. Just let them fall down and they'll actually fall in order. Unlike the other awnings, this actually comes with a 2.5 by 2.5 meter center, which is this part here. So once it's all open, let it all hang out so there's nothing crossed over. And attach your first cam buckle to the very end. Now, you will need to choose somewhere on your car that you can tie it off. I choose the bush bar, the scrub bar. Oh, yuck. Helps if it's not full of mud. Around a few times. Pull it tight. So on the opposite side, I like to attach this first. This is just going on a little hook that I've got up the top here. So the biggest difference is this massive metal hinge. Not all of them have that, and it's something you should really look out for. And in saying that, if it is a metal hinge, you have to take precautions to protect this also. Now I'm talking about wind and storms and anything that's going to damage that. So here's the strap that I prepared earlier. Wrong side. That just goes through the strap hoop. There's lots of flex in these, so you've got a bit of play room. And then you just pull it tight. So the awning is strong enough to be left like that. But of course, if wind comes up overnight, then you want to protect that main hinge because you're not going to be able to keep spares of these things and redo it on the track. And if you have to do that, then maybe you should consider a different type of awning. All right, let's finish setting this up. So unlike the batwing awning or the other ones, this one is not actually bolted to here. It's just a ball which does come out. So what you want to do is have it set up, stretch it out, and then you use your guy ropes to pull down on here to secure it to the ground. Now under this part here, you've got your 2 by 2.5 normal awning. Now all the other ones, they usually have a triangle section in here, which means you don't get this protection all the way across onto your car or your tubs or whatever you're doing. But look at this. So that is what I love about the Darche Eclipse 270 awning. It's very well built, and you obviously pay for that. The material is unreal. Like, you know, this is going to last you until you're sick of it, I guess. So it's got the patio area, the 2.5 by 2.5 awning, standard with the sides all the way around the car, covering all the actual parts that you need. All the other awnings that don't have this part only cover a portion of your doors, so if it's raining, water's still going to go inside your car or inside your boxes. I used to get water on my fridge when it was just on the slide, so that's why I went for the full length Darche awning. They do have the sidewalls, but at 900 bucks for a set, I may only grab 1 or 2 of them, and it's quality, so it is what it is. That's Darche 270 awning. Time to set up camp, get the fire going, and have me some dinner. I'm starving, so that's the 270 awning. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the trails.